Why Scott doesn't want to sleep with me? It's because I'm not sexy enough.
Oh, Phoebe, that's crazy. When I first met you, you know what I said to Chandler? I said, excellent butt, great rack.
Really? So sweet. I mean, I'm officially offended. So sweet.
Offend.
Monica, it's 6:30 in the morning. We're not working out. It's over.
No way! With 1 pound to go, come on! We're working, we're moving, we're in the zone, we're grooving.
Okay, I don't mind the last pound, okay? In fact, I kind of like the last pound. Okay, so don't make me do anything that I'll regret.
Regret.
Follow me. Subscribe now.
Subscribe.